Hey there, Rohit here. Welcome to this program, Taking Business Online. Taking business online doesn't mean that you take your offline business online. No, you have your existing business, and in this program, I will be explaining you how the online tools and systems will help you to increase your sales and how those tools and systems will simplify your work. First and foremost, you need to shift your mindset. For so long, you have been doing business with an offline method. You must be maintaining your customer database or the leads database in an Excel sheet on your computer. Your telecallers or the sales executives must be calling your customers to take follow ups and maintaining that data also in a book or in an Excel sheet. Your sales executives must be running door to door, going offices to offices, buildings to buildings to generate cold calls, fetch their contact details, and give it to your sales team. And your sales team will do a cold call and try to convert them into your potential, from potential to a lead, that is a prospect. From a prospect, your follow up team will keep on following up with them, be in touch with them. Eventually, the closing team will talk, discuss, and close the sales. So, this is a very traditional way of doing business. With this course, I want you to change your mindset and also add one more department, that is the online marketing and sales department. And I want either you by yourself, if you can, that will be great, or deploy one or two sales executives in this department who will take care of all these tools and systems. Trust me, your work is going to be very, very easy. You will not have to face loss of data. You will not have to call your executives in your office and ask them for your customers' phone number and email ID each and every time. Once you have your online tools and systems set up in the right way, you can access your data from anywhere in the world. When I say that you need to shift your mindset, is where you need to adapt these changes and also consider online platforms for generating leads for your business. There are lots and lots of advantages. Since you don't have a detailed knowledge of how to do this online, you outsource this work. Once you outsource this work, you just go by the words of your digital marketing agency and they run some ad campaigns or they generate some leads online. They commit some numbers to you and they deliver it. Definitely, they do their job. But it is very important for them to understand your business, and at the same time, you need to be understanding what they are going to do, and at the same time you need to explain your business to these agencies. Most of the times what happens is you explain your business to these agencies but you fail to tell them what you need. You only mention that XYZ is your business and ABC is what you require. You might tell them that you will need 50 to 100 leads to be generated every month. However, the agency who is going to do that is just going to run some ad campaign and fetch some leads to you and give it to you. When your sales executive calls them or you call them, they turn out to be a non potential. They are wrong leads which have been generated for you. Unfortunately, most of the business owners today always say that online generated leads do not work and it is waste of money. So let me tell you, my friends, this is absolutely incorrect. For that, you need to first understand all these tools and systems and how all these things are done. Once you understand and once you come to know how these things work and how it is done, then you can explain and expect from your digital agency or your staff quality leads, quality potentials, and quality sales. And in this way, you will increase your sales. In the later chapters in this program, I will be explaining you about all the tools and systems, how to take business online. What do you mean by taking business online? Number two, tools and systems. I will be explaining all the tools and systems in detail. And then at the end, I'll be giving out the names of the tools and their respective links. I don't want you to be master on any tool. I want you to understand the tool. I want you to understand why it is used. I just want you to understand how it is used. I want you to understand what problem is going to get solved by using that tools. Now, once this is done, it becomes easier for you to understand the online language. Secondly, why these tools are used, how the leads are generated. I also have other programs where I teach on how to generate the leads, how to maintain the sales funnels, how to track all the leads, and how to automate all these things and put it on an automated mode. So, friends, I want you to be jack of all and master of one, that is your business and your sales. I just don't want you to be master of all these tools. Let the concerned person do that work. You should know how to read the reports and optimize the data and make your team work. Thank you.